Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use iPhone 17 AI writing tools to rewrite your text. Okay, so let's use some notes for that. Let me open up the app. Now let's create a new note, and actually let me generate something quickly. I will also use AI for that. AI intelligence to be more precise. But first, actually, let's open up the settings because it's really important. Scroll down in here, go into Apple Intelligence and Siri, and make sure that it's enabled. Also, if you want to use it, you have to select your region into United States. To do it, go into General, scroll down, find Language and Region, and make sure that it's selected into United States. Because if you have another region, there's a huge chance that it won't work. In my case, I had to change it manually, and then it started working. It also needs to be downloaded, so you just need to be patient. Now, to use the AI in Notes, we need to click on that icon. In here we can see the writing tools that we have available, and we also have the ChatGPT if we click on Compose. So now, using the ChatGPT, I'm going to generate some text. Let's say that I want to have an article. So let's say, write an article about history of car, maybe something like that. Then tap to begin. As you can see, everything has been generated really fast. To edit, click on that icon, and now we have our beautiful text. Okay, then now let's use the writing tools. So simply tap, click on that icon. All right, and now we have functions such as proofread, rewrite. We can make the text more friendly, professional. We can concise it. We can summarize it, use the key points, make it a list, and also a table. So for example, and we can also manually describe our change. So maybe let's use the proofread function first. Okay, it says that currently we don't have any recommended changes. For example, if your text is with mistakes that, I don't know, you have typed one letter incorrectly, the proofread function will see that mistake and it will replace it with a better word, with better words simply. Okay. Again, writing tools. We have the rewrite function, just like I was talking about before. We can make it more friendly, our text. It needs to be generated and scanned first, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, actually it's taking longer than I expected, but let's keep waiting. Everything should be done. Oh, weird thing happened. Let's do it once again. Actually, maybe let me manually select the text in that way. Maybe then it will work. Okay. In here also I should take a look on the bar above the keyboard. We have the proofread and rewrite function, and next to it we have the whole AI tools. So now let's try to make it more friendly. Maybe now it will work. I don't know why. Maybe in my case something went wrong. Weird thing. Or maybe it's already friendly enough, so that is why it doesn't want to work. We'll try the professional function in a second. Okay, I think it's loading way too much, so that's why it doesn't want to work. Let's try the professional function. Maybe now it will work. Alright, and in this case everything went successfully. If you want, you can see the original text. You can also rewrite it. I mean, the AI will do the job, of course. Boom, everything has been generated. Click on that icon if you want to save. Okay, and now it looks more professional simply. Alright. Other things. We can concise the text. Okay. We can use the summary, key points list, and the table. So for example, let's try to use the list mode. Let's make a list. Okay. And now everything has been converted into the list. Really cool thing. We don't need to do this manually. The AI will do the job for us. And now let's try to use the ChatGPT. So we need to click on compose. And now maybe let's try to add some photo. So let's tell ChatGPT add 2 photos of the cars included in this text. Can you add some photos? I'm wondering, is it even possible? No, I think not. Unfortunately. Okay, so let's do something else. Maybe let's change the color of the text. Is it even possible? I think it should be. or maybe this one. Okay, unfortunately it's not available, but you can see that the chat also works. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.